Hello traders, welcome to the Good Morning Trading Show of the 21st day of January 2026. A recap of what happened yesterday. So there are a few zones that we had and that we were interested in. This was the low from Monday, that's Sunday night. This was another low, and this was a high that was taken out. Expectation was the market will pull back, retest either this high, number one, or this low, or this one. But as you can see, market just kept shooting up without reasonable retracement until yesterday afternoon. Okay, and market is consolidating right now. So that was what happened yesterday. The uptrend was very, very strong. The market hardly had time to pull back and test any of our levels. All right, so that's it for yesterday. Now coming over to today, what do we expect? It's obvious that the market is in an uptrend. But first things first, okay? The process remains the same. The outcome will definitely be different. First and first is the economics. Do we have news today? Yes, by 8 a.m. we have the Great Britain pound news, and there is the World Economic Forum today, all through today. Then by 2:30 p.m. President Trump is speaking. I would be of the opinion that when Trump is speaking, everyone should either avoid the market for your own safety, but if you are skilled in how to trade with Trump, that's good and that's fine. So we can do our markup this morning. Next thing is what? The trend. Obviously the trend is what? Is up. So what are we expecting? Majorly buys. Number three are the levels. So let's mark out our level: previous this high, previous this low, then any other visible significant levels. Let's mark them out. All right, these are the most obvious levels. The first one is the previous this low, and the second one is what? The previous this high. However, we have the weekly high here. Of course, when the high is broken, that's an uptrend. So it may retest, come here, retest, and continue going back up. Okay, so our expectation, which is now number 4, and that's pattern, is that when market comes to this place, previous week's high, we'll move down to the 5-minute time frame and check for confirmations. Or if market breaks it lower and come to these low, yesterday's low, then we would look for confirmation on a lower time frame. All right, we would have to be patient to see what's going to happen, and our timing is from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. So that's going to be it for the analysis of today, because the market is quite straightforward. It's an uptrend, and in an uptrend, the major bias is to go long. However, there may be opportunities to go counter short. Okay, so past performance does not guarantee future results. Once again, my name is Sir A.A. James. Do have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.